You use for your media, make the politicians and leadership understand that there should be fair election.
Yeah, mashallah.
What is your source of income of the country?
Cameroon have more than 300 natural resources
Achha.
in Cameroon.
300 natural resources.
200 natural resources. And actually in Cameroon, we have in mining sector, we have gold.
So the mines are under European companies or under the government?
Under the government, but the private concern also give the partnership with the government.
So the government takes a quite good share.
Yeah, the government have the majority of shareholders is the government. It's the government who will give authorization for exploitation. And now our problem is the lack of knowledge of African population, especially give the opportunity for Chinese, for Russia and other. They are the one doing this kind of exploitation. They give them a small and they take the majority because they have technology.
Yes, you have to educate the people.
Inshallah. We want to thank you for the opportunity. We pray Allah, may Allah give you power to continue what you are doing, give you well, long life, strength and everything. Because for me, it's a dream because I always see you on the television, watching television. When I was praying the Jummah with you, I was very happy. I spend all the night without sleeping because I can't realize a spiritual thing is more important than we want as Muslims. And what we are preaching us, what we see with Jama'ah around the world, it'd be a very good opportunity for us also at the Young Africa to take it. And I did a research about Khalifa. I saw that he's admiring our country, especially about his activity of agricultural activities.
So do you have good agricultural land?
Very good agricultural land. We have actually in Cameroon, we are the leader because we have tea agriculture.
The total area is rain fed or you have rivers?
No. River and rainfall is 260. Dry weather, very far.
There's no desert in...
No summer or winter.
All is grain.
Only rain and this is the majority. And
do you have oil resources as well?
Oil resource?
Yes.
Yes.
They are exporting.
Do you export the oil or only use in the country?
Actually, we don't export in oil. The manufacturer is in Cameroon also.
Do we have refinery there?
We have a refinery, but it's not working at all. We have Sonara refinery.
Because leadership is not honest.
Israelis.
If the leadership is honest,
We are importing. The majority of our product we are importing. But
if the leadership is honest, they will never let the oil go to the other countries and get them refined there.
Israelis.